The use of electric bikes continues to grow, and all types and ages of riders are getting e-bikes. Whether you need an e-bike for commuting, riding the bike path, getting around town, or mountain biking, there is an electric bike for you. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best electric bikes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Aventon Adventure 2 is a robust, well-equipped fat tire e-bike that offers exceptional value for the price, making it an excellent choice for riders looking for a smooth and controlled ride. Featuring a 750-watt rear hub motor, it reaches a top speed of 28 miles per hour, providing solid power for both urban commutes and outdoor adventures. The bike's updated torque sensor ensures a smoother acceleration compared to its predecessor, addressing past concerns about too much torque. Wow. This makes it more manageable, especially for lighter riders. Designed with versatility in mind, the Adventure 2 shines on fire roads and double-track trails, offering a stable, comfortable ride on gravel and snowy surfaces. The bike is built to handle the ruggedness of off-roading, but is less suited for aggressive single-track or steep mountain trails due to its weight. The Adventure Point 2 features a new head unit interface, integrated turn signals, front light, rear rack, and fenders, ensuring convenience and cleanliness during your ride. Weighing in at 77 pounds, the Adventure 2 is on the heavier side, but its durability and versatility make it ideal for both commuting and recreational use. Whether navigating rough paths or cruising through urban streets, the Aventon Adventure 2 delivers a reliable and enjoyable experience. The Rad Power Bike's RadRover 6 Plus is a versatile, rugged electric bike designed for adventurous riders and everyday commuters. With a robust 750-watt rear hub motor and 4-inch wide fat tires, it thrives on diverse terrains, from pothole-ridden city streets to snowy trails or rocky paths. A 60mm RST suspension fork adds to its shock-absorbing comfort, making rides smooth and enjoyable. Upgrades from its predecessor include a refined display and dependable hydraulic disc brakes, enhancing safety and usability. Priced at around $1,300 it offers exceptional value for those seeking a durable e-bike without breaking the bank. Its range and power make it an ideal companion for errands, commutes, or recreational rides, especially in challenging weather or rough conditions. However, the RadRover 6 Plus is not without drawbacks. Its hefty 74-pound frame can be cumbersome, particularly for riders needing to carry it upstairs or maneuver it into compact spaces. While its rugged build is perfect for open spaces or suburban use, urban dwellers with limited storage may face challenges. The Velotric Discover 2 is an exceptional e-bike offering premium features at a competitive price, under $1,900. Its low step-through frame and impressive 440-pound load capacity combined for bike, rider, and cargo make it a versatile choice for commuting, errands, and leisurely weekend rides. Velotric enhances its utility with optional baskets and racks, ideal for farmers' market hauls or day trips. Available in 4 colors and 2 sizes, the Discover 2 caters to riders of varying heights. Our 6-foot tester found the large size a comfortable fit. Its performance-focused components include a suspension fork with lockout, an 8-speed Shimano drivetrain, and reliable hydraulic disc brakes. The adjustable cockpit and vibrant color display, which allows effortless customization of assistance levels and speed limits, ensure a tailored riding experience. The 500-watt motor delivers strong, smooth assistance on flat terrain, offering a zippy and enjoyable ride. However, its weight can slightly reduce throttle performance on steep inclines. The bike's stability is generally excellent, though a mild front-wheel wobble, common in step-through designs, can occur when riding hands-free. The Lectric One e-bike stands out as an impressive choice for commuters, blending quality features with value. One of its most notable aspects is the pinion drivetrain, a German-engineered system typically reserved for premium bikes. This fully enclosed gearbox, mounted at the bottom bracket, offers smooth, precise shifting and durability, enhancing the overall performance of the $2,400 commuter e-bike. It delivers a level of quality usually found in bicycles priced much higher. While the motor's cadence sensor offers a good experience, it does have its limitations. Although it's more responsive than typical cadence sensors, some slight lag and a disconnect between pedal force and motor output can create an unnatural motor response. However, this minor issue doesn't detract from the overall smooth performance, and riders quickly adapt to its feel. Ideal for those seeking a reliable, low-maintenance e-bike, the Lectric One combines quality engineering with convenience for everyday commuting. It's built for all-weather use and offers the kind of high-end components that make it a standout in its price range. Whether navigating urban streets or facing tougher conditions, the One is a versatile, dependable ride that feels like a much pricier model. The Aventon Level 2 builds on the success of its predecessor with notable upgrades that make it one of the best e-bikes in its class. Powered by a 750-watt motor, the Level 2 can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, offering a thrilling yet stable ride. Weighing 60 pounds, it balances durability with manageable weight, making it an ideal option for both commuters and recreational riders. The new torque sensor ensures a more natural and controlled power distribution, enhancing the bike's smoothness and making it easier to manage on various terrains. In terms of visibility and convenience, the Level 2 features integrated lights, ensuring safe riding even in low light conditions. Its full-color display provides clear, real-time information, keeping you informed at a glance. While the bike excels in comfort, performance, and technology, the Zoom Area suspension fork does have its limitations. It struggles with larger bumps, and its rebound can be inconsistent, but the lockout feature provides some control. Overall, the Aventon Level 2 is a top contender for anyone looking for a reliable and high-performing e-bike. Its combination of comfort, power, and value makes it an excellent choice for everyday commuting or weekend exploration. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.